Today I am going to tell you about badminton. Badminton is a pure indoor game. It can be played singles and doubles and mixed doubles. Three types of we will play. And today I am going to tell you about the court measurement and how to play singles and how to play the doubles. I will tell you. Let me first start with court measurement. What is out, what is correct service, how to do the service, everything I will tell you. Let me see you. This is purely indoor game. It is purely indoor game and it can be played only in indoor. If you can play outdoor also, it doesn't matter. You can play it. And here I kept to this side and to this side. This is will see this. This look like a man. This also one type of man. This is white. This is black. Two people are playing like that, and white and black like that. Two different people are playing like that. I am keeping. And let me tell you about what is singles. And see here. This is what the single court. I kept only doubles court, but I am showing you single court. This is called a single line for singles. See this all boundary line for single. Internal single court. See side line for singles. Side line for doubles. This is the line for singles. When you play singles, the court will be considered inside one line is there. In that we are going to play singles. When you play doubles, this will be added for doubles. This line, only side line will be counted for side line for doubles. When you play singles, there will be a diagonal service. First you have to do the diagonal service. The court will divide into two sides, and this is one side, another side is this one. And what happened when you are doing service, this white is doing the service, this has to be do the diagonal. Straight away the cock should fall here. If the cock fell here in between the net and the short service line, this is called a short service line. This is called a short service line. And in between the cock should not fall here. And if you do the service from here to this side, straight away it should fall the service in this area. Singles will be calculated. When it is odd number, that means 1, if you get the point, you should come this side. This opponent has to go again the left side. Opponent has to go to left side. And when you do the service, this service straight away again left to left, diagonally should fall. And the game will continue. If the point will be given, again he has to come by even number to the right side. And this man will come this side. When it is odd number, it should come to the left side. Whenever you play, your right service is called even number and the left service is called odd number. This will be like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is points. What I am doing? Points. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 is the points. You should come here and do the service to diagonal side. This is what diagonal side. When it is left side service, it is odd number. Odd. That is called 1, 3 point. When you get 1 point, you should come here. When you get 3 points, you should come here. When you get 5 points, you should come. When you get 7 points, you should come here. When you get 9 points, when you get 11 points, when you get 13 points, when you get 15 points, when you get 17 points, when you get 19 points, when you get 21 points, you have to 20 is the last. When it's 21 is the game end point. And there will be a 3 sets of the game. When there is a 3 sets, who will win? Consequently, 2 sets, they are the winners. Suppose the white man is going to win 1 set and the next second set is going to be the black man is going to win 1 set and third set will be continued. Continuously, this white is going to win 2 points. They are the winners. Like that, the game will go. Here, the center line, 1 court will be there, and right service and left service. And the service, if the white is doing and it falls here, it is a right. Because see, boundary line and long service for singles. If it is fall the service, it is right. When doubles line, when you doing the doubles, that is the different. If it falls, it is correct. If it falls here, it is out. Now the game will continue in the rally. Suppose the cock touch here and fell here, that is out in service. In service. When the rally is going on, it is correctly service. When it is going to be 20 all, the game will extend it will be 2 points. Maximum, the game will extend up to 29 points. 30 is the game end. Suppose he got the 29 marks, he got the 29 marks. Both are equaling, and 30 who will get? Suppose he lost the service or he did not be there in the line, and this man is going to 30 points if he get first time, and they are the winners. And game will be not be extend more than the 30 points is game. Who will win third 3 sets out of 3 sets, 2 sets is winner. They are the winners. Let me tell you, this is very important for my children. And when you play this game, an interline only, I am telling about singles. This line will be calculated. When it goes from here to here, all services account. Only if it falls here, it is out. During the game, it touch to the net and fall here or here, you have to play the rally. Suppose the cock is coming here, it is falling. This man is touched the cock. He has to send it rally and play. If unfortunately, sometimes it falls here, if he lift the service, and it will be calculated in the rally when shuttle has to send it back. That is what, my friend, where is the cock is coming when the servicing, that you have to judge. Suppose outside is going also, if you lift, this man is lift the service, he has to send it back to the rally. Who will getting 21 points? Here again I am telling, even number, odd number, even number, odd number, even number, odd. Same thing, the black also. See, here it is called right service for him. This is called right. It is called 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 points, 14 points, 16 points, 18 points, 20 points he has to do here. Here odd numbers. Odd numbers is called 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And this is the odd number points. That is what basically this indoor court shuttle will be there. Shuttle you have to play always in the mind game. It is you may have the strength and the ability and agility you should have, and play this game very well and enjoy the game. Once this is called, once again I am telling, the court will be divided into 2 parts, and long length 44 feet. 44 feet is the length of the court. Here 20 feet is the width of the court, and it will be divided into 10 this side, 10 this side, and 10 this side, 10 this side. And court, this is 22, this is 22. This is the maximum. What is the game I am telling you. Any if in dieting, next class I will teach you about the doubles and other thing. Thank you. Bye bye.